Croeso and welcome to Cardiff University's Because of You Festival. My name's Professor Colin Rydyn, President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. This week's all about celebrating the impact that you make, donors, Caerdydd members, fundraisers and runners, volunteers, ambassadors and mentors. Those of you who donated in memory of your loved ones, and those of you who've pledged to give us a gift in your will. We wanted to start the week by showing you around our university. Perhaps for those of you who've studied here, some things have changed, like our School of Journalism, Media and Culture in Cardiff city centre. The new Abacus building on St Geneth Road, which is to house our School of Computer Science and Informatics and the School of Mathematics. And our Spark building on Maindy Road, where research will meet society, creating and testing new ideas. For those of you who may never have visited our city or campus, in this virtual tour you'll see some of our world-class facilities and hear about the world-class work that's going on inside them, thanks in large part to supporters like you.
Hi, I'm Robert Blake and I'm studying for my Urban Planning and Development BSc here at the beautiful Glamorgan building. I'm currently on my placement year, which is with Transport for London. And although due to COVID-19 and lockdown restrictions, I'm working from home, it's been a really amazing experience so far. At the beginning of my placement year, which is the third year of my degree, I got the great news that I have been awarded the George Rich Scholarship. I was so delighted to be chosen, and for me, having that financial support has really allowed me to consider my future and what I will do after my undergraduate degree. With the scholarship, my horizons have broadened, and I hope to be able to continue my studies and undertake an urban planning related MSc. After that, my interest lies in urban design, and with a master's degree behind me, I will be able to apply for chartership with the Royal Town Planning Institute much earlier on in my career. With the support of this generous donation, this opportunity and others have been opened up to me. If you have chosen to support students through scholarships, bursaries or prizes, thank you so much. You are making a huge difference.
My name is Professor Matt Smalley, and I'm the Director of the European Cancer Stem Cell Research Institute at Cardiff University. Cardiff University's cancer research happens across the city, from our labs here in the Hadyn Ellis building, where we are trying to find the genetic and molecular beginnings of cancer formation, to drug development over in the School of Pharmacy, to treatment trials up at our Centre for Trials Research on the Heath Hospital campus. My own research here at the Hadyn Ellis looks at genetic risks in breast cancer and seeks to manipulate genetic switches to slow down tumour growth and even stop tumour formation altogether. Fundraisers and donors support so many parts of the research journey, from diagnosis to treatment to improving patient quality of life beyond cancer. So whether you've run 13 miles for us or donated from your own pocket, thank you. Our research benefits from donor funding, and I can personally say thank you for your generosity.
Hello, I'm Professor Anita Thappa, and I'm a clinical scientist in neuroscience and mental health. As with so much of our research in Cardiff, our science isn't confined to one building. Researchers across the university, we collaborate and share findings. For example, Cardiff's mental health and neuroscience research happens in laboratories in Hadyn Ellis and also in Kubrick, where there are brain imaging scanners and sleep labs. Also, we conducted this research in specialist facilities at the hospital and out in the community in schools and clinics. My own research is in child neurodevelopmental disorders, particularly looking at ADHD and autism, and also in adolescent depression. It's really crucial to look at children and adolescents, because actually this is when nearly all mental health problems first start, even if they get picked up later in adult life. My research, like so many of us here, has been supported by donors. And so if you donate or fundraise for neuroscience and mental health research here in Cardiff, thank you.
Hi, my name's Hannah Thomas and I studied my undergraduate degree in biochemistry here in the Sir Martin Evans building. As part of my degree, I did a professional training year in Professor Andrew Sewell's labs on the Heath campus, and now I'm studying a PhD at Cardiff University within Professor Sewell's team. My research is made possible through the generous gift left by David and Mary Mills to Cardiff University through their will, and they specifically wanted to fund research into tuberculosis. Infection and immunity is a key area of scientific research affecting everyone's day-to-day life. For example, from a simple immune response to a child's grazed knee to more serious conditions like arthritis, cardiovascular disease, or cancer. My project looked into tuberculosis, which affected over 10 million people and caused 1.2 million deaths in 2020, according to the World Health Organization. My research into T-cells and immunotherapies is a small step towards a worldwide cure, and it's all thanks to a generous legacy. If you've written Cardiff research or student support into your will, then thank you very much. You are supporting people like me from the lecture theatre to the laboratory.
Hi, I'm Thomas Evans, President of Cardiff University Students' Union, and welcome to the new Centre for Student Life at the heart of the Taith campus. We're just putting the finishing touches onto this incredible building due to open later in 2021. Here, everything that a student might need, whether that's financial advice, counselling, careers advice, study spaces, or just a cup of coffee, will all be under one roof. So if you're a donor to our Student Hardship Fund, here is where your impact will happen, as students get the support that they need, not just to survive, but thrive during their studies. If you're leaving a gift in your will for student wellbeing, this could be where that gift takes root. If you're a volunteer for one of our careers talks and mentoring, then this may well happen under this roof too. And as part of our transformation, we're developing 24-hour online services for students so that everyone has the access to the support that they need. Thank you for your support for our students.